Welcome to another theme mountain video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss in-editor shortcodes. Now, these are shortcodes that you can insert directly from the text editor, and this is useful because where you can't use Visual Composer and you wanted to insert something particular, such as an icon, a button, a progress bar, or a stat, this is where you would use the in-editor shortcodes. Now, you'll find examples of these throughout the templates in our library and also in the footer templates that we provide you with. So I have a pretty simple homepage set up here, and as we can see I have a custom footer. Now the social share icons here at the bottom are actually an in-editor shortcode. So these are just inserted into a text area. So what I'm going to go ahead and do to illustrate this, I have a hero here, so I'm going to insert some in-editor shortcodes here. So I'm going to go to my page here and I'm going to modify the hero. So we can access the in-editor shortcode directly from the text area. And we can do this from the little theme mountain icon here. And so here we have progress bar, stat, button, block quote, social share, which is what we saw in the footer, icon, and subscribe form. Now, I suggest you go through all of these and try all of them out because all of them have a range of different options to play around with. But I'm going to go ahead and use the icons as an example and link to social networks. So when I launch this, you're going to be presented with a bunch of different options. And as you'll see, for some you will have to enter the value manually. For example, color, you'll have to enter the hex value and so on. For the icons, you can just type the icon name in. For any of the social networks, we provide all the social networks you can think of. So you just type them in as follows. So I'm not going to go ahead now and actually paste the URL. I'm just going to show you how to insert them. Obviously, you can change the icon color, the icon size, and so on as well. You can also give it a unique ID and class if you want to style it further. So say I want a few icons lined up next to one another here. I'm just going to go ahead and insert a few. So as an example here, we can see we could also modify the shortcode in the text editor should we want to. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm just going to go ahead and save it, and we can have a look and see what it looks like. And there we go. I've inserted 4 social networking icons here. Obviously, I inserted Facebook twice, which was not my intention. But this is really how simple it is. And you can add this pretty much anywhere throughout the theme. And that's all for in-editor shortcodes.